Hi guys, it's Frankie from Frankie Tech. Good to see you guys again. And here I am in Mongkok. It's coming up to late afternoon here, but I have a new phone that I'm definitely excited about. You guys have seen it a million times, but it doesn't matter because now it's going to get the Frankie Tech treatment, none other than the Galaxy Fold. OMG, baby. And let me explain my reasoning why I got this phone. Guys, I've been waiting for a week for the CC9 Pro Premium Edition, and after a period of time I was just like, you know what, I can't wait any longer. I'm already late on the CC9 Pro. I could have picked it up on Monday, but then my buddy Lampo, shout out to Lampo, he showed me his Galaxy Fold earlier today, and I was just astounded, dude. I was just like, this thing is incredible. And I was just like impressed beyond belief is what I can say. And so I picked up a Galaxy Fold, and here it is on the channel. This is the Samsung Galaxy Fold now. This is my unit. It's brand new. It's a Singapore unit, so it's a little bit different than the Hong Kong. I guess it's very similar to the Hong Kong unit, but the whole point here is that it is including Google Apps out of the box. Now, I'm not used to using this phone, so I'm going to try to go back to the home screen there, and let's talk a little bit about this phone. This is the 512 GB. I think that's the only variant of this phone that exists. And as you can see here, I got the black version. Let me try to close it up. This is the whole point of this phone, is to get a way to close it up, and there it is, and there it goes, and now it is closed. And so, guys, you've seen this phone a million times. This is more new for me than it is for you. But looking at this smaller display on the front, you know what? It is as thin as everyone says. It's almost like having like a little phone. Now that the Motorola Razr is out, I'm thinking, hey, you know, like that is kind of a better implementation of this kind of fold approach. I wish the display on the front was the full display, but you need space for that selfie camera, so that is positive as well. And I do need to connect to internet as well here. But guys, I put the case on this thing the moment I got it, because I was like, I don't want to waste any time getting this thing in a case. Let's see how easy it is to open this thing, because this is like only my second time using a Galaxy Fold, and there it is. Let's get it flat out there. There is this beautiful Fold. Man, I dropped a tweet earlier. I said I used the Galaxy Fold, and I was just like, absolutely, I was just taken aback. I was just like completely stunned by this device. I didn't think, and I've been trying to get this Galaxy Fold for a period of time, but I got a good discount from my guy, shout out to Lampo, on this version of it. And so for under 15,000 bucks, for just around that price, or sorry, 16,000, but basically I'm not paying any premium on this phone. I'm paying it for much less than what I would have done if I had actually waited for it. And talking about this display, I got to be very careful with this display, but it looks beautiful. It looks absolutely gorgeous. And as you can see, the crease on my unit, it is almost non-existent. You can kind of see it a little bit there, but when you start using this for the first time, the crease is very, very just not obvious. You don't see it at all. And let's go ahead and talk about the display of this, the design and the display. I mean, this thing is definitely a chunky monkey when you have it closed. Trying to do this with one hand right now. You hope I don't drop the phone. It's a chunky phone, man. You can see right through the phone there. There is that separation of the display. But I gotta say, it feels good in the hand, and it feels of premium materials. I'm glad they include this case in the box. There's also the Galaxy Buds in the box. So I guess I'm now officially a Galaxy Buds owner, and I can really compare those to the AirPods Pro as well. So talking about performance, Snapdragon 855. Now, you know what? The performance of this thing, it's gonna age. It's right now, it's like 2-3 months from now, there will be phones with faster processors, but I don't think that's what this phone is about. It's all about this display, and the folding action feels really good. I mean, I gotta say, it doesn't feel, I kind of feel with my hand, I still have to figure out how to do this. Obviously, I'm filming this video right now, But the way I would do this right now is just kind of do that and then close it. And that feels really nice. It is a bit heavier than I expected, but you know what? I mean, considering there's 2 displays on this on both sides and a triple display, and there's how many cameras on this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think there's a few inside as well. It feels really good. I really do like this. Gosh, this Kevlar type case feels really good in the hand as well. So audio, obviously we don't have a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, but we do have, you see there, speakers on both sides of the phone. And last but not least, let's do it, the classic Frankie Tech camera shot. And let's open this up and take a shot. Let's take a photo of these bricks right here. No, let's not do that. Let's do something a bit more impressive. And in 3, 2, 1. There we go. And let's have a look at that shot. Sorry for the views there. And what a gorgeous shot here on the Galaxy Fold. Now, is it running the best cameras of any Samsung phone? No, it's not, because the Note 10 Plus is out now, but this is still running the S10 cameras, and the S10 cameras were very good for their time. This is a gorgeous camera, and this is like, I mean, honestly, it's still got all the same perks of the previous Galaxy S10 Plus series. So that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching it. And you know what? I asked my guy Lampo, I was like, I'm trying to get this CC9 Pro. I will admit now, guys, it was a mistake not getting that on Monday. I could have had a CC9 Pro video out for you guys, but I really want to test out the premium edition. And I don't want to waste my time testing out a version that apparently is just not the best version. I'm all about the best version of phones here on Frankie Tech, and this Galaxy Fold is proof in concept. This is an amazing device. It's the top of the line of Samsung this year, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. You know, what are my thoughts on this notch? I don't think it's really that intrusive. I thought I would care about it more, but just the fact that this display is so huge, I don't mind it. I'm holding a tablet in my hands, and then I can fold it up, and it just becomes a phone, just like that. And the front screen, yes, it is a little bit small, but honestly, like, I'm smitten, guys. I don't know what to tell you. I'm smitten. This may be my daily driver moving forward, and I'm gonna give it a shot because, gosh, I spent quite a bit of money on this phone. So that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, give me that thumbs up. And if you love the content of Frankie Tech, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon for future updates. Stay tuned, guys. I will have the CC9 Pro Premium Edition, hopefully very soon. I will be doing a video on that. But for now, it's me and the Galaxy Fold. We're gonna spend some time together, get to know each other, and gosh, I'm excited about this weekend now. This is an incredible phone. I will be very careful with it though. I know it's very fragile in many ways. No going to the shower with this phone, none at all. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, guys. And this is where I leave you by saying, this is Frankie Tech signing off. Have a good one.